Hey guys, welcome back. Haven't made a video in a while. Just figured I would show you the new lawnmower. This is the HRR21610PKC. Got a 21-inch steel deck. I gotta say, I like how easy they make it, to switch from mulch to bag. Just have this quick lever here. Got the Honda GCV 160 overhead cam engine, the easy starting with auto choke system. This mower weighs 74.5 pounds. This is a push mower, recoil start. Got the Honda micro cut system with the twin blades. Your switch to turn fuel on or off. Easy folding quick release handle for easy operator height adjustment. Start this bad boy up and see how she sounds.